Hi, everybody. My name is Liana Slentz. I am pursuing my bachelor's in business management here at the Falls. I should be completed this December if all goes according to plan. I have a 19-year-old daughter who is a sophomore at Grand Canyon University in Phoenix, Arizona, where she is pursuing her bachelor's in criminal justice. I mainly work as an in-home care provider for individuals with developmental disabilities. I also bartend on the weekends and help manage that bar. I live in a little town of Hunters. It's about an hour and a half from Spokane, out in the mountains in a cabin we built. I like to spend my free time outside, in the yard, hiking, in my garden. In the summer, I like to be on the water, in a boat, on my paddleboard, just hanging out by shore. Really anything to get me outside. I love this area. We have lived here for about 10 years now. We moved from California in 2011. From my perspective, I would define communication as the exchange of information between individuals. This could be verbal, nonverbal, body gestures, eye movements, even the way you breathe. I would say it's the way we get our thoughts, our ideas, our wants, our needs relayed from our brain to someone else's. I would describe organizational communication as the way in which the individuals who are interrelated within that organization communicate. It also could be verbal or nonverbal. I feel this is the way organizations connect with their customers, with their stakeholders, the way in which organizations grow and reach their goals. I don't have a whole lot of experience studying this, hence the class. I look forward to learning more about it. I can say that making this video is something I've never really done. So I look forward to getting more comfortable with that and seeing myself on the screen and being an effective communicator with all of you. I look forward to meeting all of the rest of the classmates and doing this class together. All right, see ya.